Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today we are going to discuss everything about National Savings Certificate. First criteria is you need to be resident in India to buy NSC. This scheme is not for non-resident. Minimum deposit is 1000 rupees. Thereafter, in multiple of 100 rupees you can put any amount. So there is no limit for maximum amount. Then on this investment you get interest at the rate of 6.8% and that gets accumulated. So it will be added in your investment. And now let's talk of tax benefits. Whatever amount you put in NSC, it is eligible for deduction under section 80C up to 1,50,000. Even whatever interest you get on NSC, even that is also eligible. So both amounts are eligible. Your regular investment plus accumulated interest, both are eligible for 80C. The minimum period is 5 years and in few cases it can be 10 years. So after 5 years and 10 years you can withdraw the money, and in between if you need money you can take loan from loan against that. Yes, uske against loan bhi available hai. So guys, if you find this information useful, start investing in NSC. It's a very good choice if you want to take minimum risk because it's a government security. And don't forget to save this reel and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Bye bye.